Okay. Actually, there was very little force to that. It doesn't lock though. That's not good.
What the heck? What's up and down? Thank you. You think you're so funny. Mine said points up and down.
You little smurf. Okay.
I just use force. I hope that's not an issue. 2 and 4, I think I should put. Let me double check that. Slots 2 and 4 counting from the CPU. Okay.
I try to put it upside down. Oh, that was a good click. Okay, I see it now.
Okay, that looks nice too. Nice. Nice.
Okay, so next step is to put what we had built so far actually inside the case, and now it gets a lot more fiddly.